Interest rate cuts are coming sooner than expected. That is as per Mr. Chalmers yesterday, who said that in the budget, as per the government, inflation is going to come down earlier than what we had heard, and we can expect interest rate cuts, which is really weird because just earlier this month, RBA and the economists were looking at data and saying we might have to increase interest rates. So honestly, it's confusing. It is really confusing. But taking a step back now, looking at the budget, this does feel like an election year budget. It feels like the government is trying to, pitch itself for the next term, which is fair. It's their job. They are the government. But if true, now let's look at it as Mr. Chalmers said. If it is true, if Dr. Chalmers is right, it is good news. It will help ease the pressure, give people the confidence. But honestly, again, going back, it is confusing. Not sure which one to believe more. I think the only good thing I can see is that I was reading one of the big four banks went earlier that they don't expect interest rates to rise anymore, which is good. So that aligns in the middle for both of these forecasts from the government and the RBA and the economist. But it at least gives us some confidence if we can start seeing interest rates go down sooner rather than later. And people are hurting right now. The cost of living isn't helping anyone. It's a problem for everyone. If we can start seeing those rates go down, we can see people get more confident. That would be helpful. So let's wait and see, and we'll find out soon enough.